Dear students of BSc Part 2 and respected listener, a very good morning and welcome all of you to today's lecture. Dear students, I will deliver today a very special lecture on to establish the relationship, quantitative relationship for entropy with temperature, and that is of pressure, which actually has been selected from BSc Part 2, Paper 3 Physical Chemistry, selected from, that is of unit 2nd, titled as that is of thermodynamics 2nd. Once again, dear students of BSc Part 2, I bring to draw your kind immediate notice on our previous lecture. We have discussed in the classroom the similar title in our previous lecture. We have also discussed, we have also expressed. I would like to announce once again, we discussed in our previous lecture the similar title there as the variation of entropy as a function of temperature and pressure, entropy as a function of temperature and volume for 1 mole of ideal gas. But I am going to deliver today the lecture, the same title, but it is common lecture, common quantitative relationship for entropy for temperature and volume, and the quantitative relationship for temperature and pressure for that is of real gas, solids, and that is of gases also. Dear student, in our previous lecture, now may I attention please, that is of equation number 11 and equation number 12 in our previous lecture. Till equation number 11 and 12 we have derived here. Equation number 11 and equation number 12 as per title, entropy as a function of temperature and pressure, shows the variation of entropy with respect to that is of temperature here. Similarly, equation number 12 shows the variation of entropy with respect to pressure only here. In order to obtain the joint form, the variation of entropy with respect to temperature and pressure, first of all let us derive and proceed today's lecture. Now differentiate equation number 11 with respect to pressure, keeping temperature as a constant here. Similarly, in equation number 12, differentiate with respect to temperature of the entropy, keeping pressure as a constant. We are having the two types of the equation number 13 and equation number 14 here. In order for the differentiation, 1 upon t, consider that is a first function as a constant and variable of next one. In the next case, to consider here first one as that is of a variable and next one as that is of a constant here, to obtain that is of equation number 14. Now equation number 13 and equation number 14 both are having the same by exact and inexact mathematical conception. Now we compare from equation number 13 and equation number that is of 14, delta square s delta p delta t is equals to delta square s delta t, that is of delta p here. On solving and by cancelling here, this quantity 1 upon t delta square s delta p delta t will be cancelled by next one quantity, rest quantity is we are having 1 upon t where tp is equals to minus 1 upon t square hp t minus v, 1 upon t, again 1 upon t is cancelled, having the negative quantity, negative multiplication of rest quantity 1 upon t hp t minus 1 v. Dear students, equation number that is of 11 and 12 show the relationship entropy with respect to temperature and that is of pressure in modified form. Equation number 11 and that is of equation number 12 show the state function of entropy with respect to temperature and that is of a pressure for that is of gases also. Now let us solve, let us proceed, let us derive the entropy as a function of temperature and pressure for liquid and gases also. For this solving, we have to go in back direction in our BSc part 1 to define as that is of thermal expansion coefficient for that is of liquid here by the definition of, you know here, that is of K second for solids and liquids by the definition of thermal expansion coefficient. Alpha is equals to 1 upon v, Vtp is say equation number 17. Now on multiplying v alpha, now put down equation number 18 in that is of equation number 16 here. This one quantity is present here, this one quantity is present here, this quantity further is equals to this one quantity. Now put down all these quantities, this one quantity, this one quantity, this one quantity in equation number that is of 2. We get the final relation for that is of liquids, solids. the variation of entropy for that is of liquid and that is of a solid. See here, the final equation I am writing here, equation number that is of 21 ds is equals to 1 upon t h t p minus v alpha d alpha. Try to understand once again here, since s p t this thing will be is equals to that is of this thing, this quantity 1 upon t h p t minus v, this one quantity this will be is equals to that is of minus v alpha, this quantity equals to this one quantity in equation number 12. In equation number 19, this quantity is further is equals to that is a minus v alpha. 1, 2, 3 and 4, all these quantities now we substitute in that is of equation number 2. The final equation to give us shows the variation of entropy for that is of liquids and solids also. Now may I request you kindly to remember all these various types of the cases here, and I shall be available in the classroom tomorrow by deliver a new topic, that is third law of thermodynamics. Thank you very much.